This is one of the interesting tool that I bought out of curiosity. It's heavy duty pipe wrench. I'm not sure where I will use this, but maybe I will find it some use. TAPARIA heavy duty pipe wrench, MRP is 1040. It's actually heavy duty. Yeah, really it's heavy duty. Here if you'll see carefully, here they have given the markings like 1.2, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. It's big. If you just see the handle size, you get an idea. It's 29 centimeter. And if you see this, it's 6 centimeter. So you can open it very easily. Maybe in plumbing you can use it. The jaws are also very strong, it seems like. So this is the heavy duty pipe wrench.